Hello my good people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. Road to 10,000 subscribers. So on today's video, we are diving deep into a very interesting story about why Jamaicans and Black Americans are in shock. So let's get into it. So nowadays, Jamaicans and Black Americans are in shock as Donald Trump is back in the White House for 2025 and the reactions are explosive. But why are so many Jamaicans and Black Americans crying over Trump's return? So let's get into it. And one of the biggest reasons for the outcry is that Trump's immigration policies. And during his first term, Trump cracked down hard on immigrants, and now he is back with even stricter plans. And many Jamaicans in the US fear deportation as Trump has promised mass removal of the undocumented immigrants. Back in the year 2020, his administration deported thousands of Jamaicans, and now with his renewed focus on tightening immigration, even legal immigrants fear the new policies could make their lives harder. And on the other side, still Black Americans are also worried about Trump's presidency. Many feel that his administration ignores issues affecting the Black communities, from police brutality to economic opportunities. Critics argue that his policies hurt Black people rather than help them. And during his previous presidency, racial tensions soared with protests erupting across the country. And now, many fear a repeat of those turbulent years. So, Jamaicans and Black Americans are also worried about the economy under Trump. And while he boasts about creating jobs, many Black Americans argue that his economic policies favor the wealth and corporations of our working class people. And on the other side, Jamaicans abroad fear job losses and economic instability, while those in Jamaica worry about how Trump's foreign policies could impact the island's economy, especially if trade agreements change. Jamaica has long benefited from the U.S. relations, but Trump's return could mean uncertainty. Will he cut aid? Will he pressure Jamaica over its ties with China? Those are the real concerns as Trump's foreign policy shifts could shake up the Caribbean. So, many Americans are asking, how did this happen? Some are frustrated that voter turnout did not prevent Trump's return. Meanwhile, others blame the Democratic Party for failing to connect with the Black voters and address their concerns. So, why are Jamaicans and Black Americans crying over Trump's being president in the year 2025? Because his policies could reshape their lives in a way they fear, from immigration to the economy, from racial tension to Jamaicans' foreign relations. There's a lot at stake. So guys, what do you think? Is Trump's presidency a disaster for Black people, or is the panic overblown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think. So guys, this is not the first time Black Americans and Jamaicans have faced challenges under the U.S. leadership. From war on drugs to Bush's foreign policies affecting the Caribbean, history has shown how Americans' leadership can have direct consequences on Black and Caribbean lives. Trump's return may signal yet another chapter of leadership and resilience. So guys, let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more deep dives into the global issues. Your comment matters a lot. Your opinion matters a lot. So let's do this together.